For the first time since the COVID-19 outbreak, a top infectious disease doctor in our region critiques efforts to contain the virus right here. This is what he's been preparing for decades, and he spoke with WCPO 9 News reporter Courtney Francisco.
I went into a lab with an infectious disease doctor here at UC Health to hear his critique of how cities in our area are responding to this pandemic. And one of the things we discussed is the way businesses, large and small, are responding to keep their workers healthy.
That's a potential option.
Now more than ever, Dr. Carl Fichtenbaum says infectious disease doctors need to communicate with you.
We've not seen a pandemic of this nature or this concern in most people's lifetimes.
He's watching, critiquing what Ohio, Indiana, and Kentucky are doing, shutting down schools, restaurants, banning social and work gatherings.
I don't think we're overreacting. I think we are trying to do the best that we can in the absence of having an effective vaccine or known treatment for this disease.
Major Cincinnati employers, Procter & Gamble, Western Southern tell me employees are working from home. Kroger is sanitizing stores, suspending air travel through March, and meetings are online. I checked in with smaller manufacturers, and they say it's not that simple.
And I said to them, I can't deliver a sewing machine to your house for you to work from home. I need you here, but I also need you healthy. So we spent a lot of time talking about that because, you know, they're afraid, just like everybody else is afraid.
Melissa Mangold owns Casco, where workers make hospital beds. She says they're cranking out more product in case they have to stay home. She's disinfecting the workplace at night and telling employees to do the same at home because it's personal here.
We're a close-knit group, so they all know that my husband is sick. They all know that I've had my fair share of bouts with cancer.
Dr. Fichtenbaum recommends call employees before each shift and ask if they're sick.
If something that they are doing is vital and necessary for the continued life and well-being of our society, then we have to think about how can we do these things in a safe and responsible manner.
And doctors stress if you feel sick, don't just show up at a hospital or an urgent care clinic to get a test. Call before you come, talk to the doctor about protocol because they may want you to stay outside. They have tents set up here at UC Health for that exact reason, so you don't go inside and infect more people. Reporting in Cincinnati, Courtney Francisco, WCPO 9 News.